You see me?
Yeah,
Just the mere fact that they came, good evening, guys. Just the mere fact that they came out and was bigging up this guy,
Yep.
or girl, or whoever he is. Hold a minute. Guess
But remember, I said the vice note that come after the poll.
Come on, that is strength. Keep the thing active.
you see all that? You see all that, the brother, you know, journalism. It should soon be told, you know. Don't worry about him.
But
We
the
soon
truth
hear
have
the
been
truth
told
about
already.
him, man.
So you want no more evidence
Yeah.
from the lady husband of Portland? They were dead. We said they don't answer for cook up poll.
Hey, me I wonder, how that man is so brave, brother?
The man, remember say man, you mean by man brave? The man tired of it, brother.
The Maria, that
The man
would
wise.
have a type 2 error in a hit. I mean,
man
not going
wise.
into that direction.
The
And not
man
speaking
wise.
about that poll, and I don't want you come up there and say no. Request to come tell me I can explain that have type 2 error in a hit. But we
Just
mash up
black.
Jamaican brain. I mean, all not nasty agenda one want bring along. Now go
No.
happen.
There is
Nathaniel,
nothing
just
in
black him now.
that thing to explain. That thing is fake as face can be. A part of politics strategy. And many other going to be done where they're going to show Mark Gold in a lead. So, you know, make no sense.
This is the first time the politics of Jamaica that he can't come up with no farmer strategy during an
Now
election.
watch no poll. Nobody
Yeah,
have
me
watch
say-
poll.
This is the first time in the politics of the country that the PNP cannot come up with nothing at all to try to win an election. Nothing where them are come with now go work this time. Because the people them not in Jamaica again.
The
And I
PMP
thought-
strategy are to kill Andrew Holness, tell BLI, say no murder, say no fast poll. And if you look into it, you can see the full strategy go into the election. Even if it kill, me go as that far, just to gain power. Because
You
Mark
remember?
Golding said, we have to take it to them. Because Labour right now got get up so easy.
No. When I lie down dead pan we back and get up.
Yes,
When you remember-
Mark Golding said all of that. But remember, the same person, Mark Golding, come back and say, our debts are down,
Yes.
income taxes are down, we
Yes.
have money in the reserve, etc., etc. Isn't he the same person? Come on,
Yes.
guys. This is one time in my life when Mr. Will say, Jamaica Labour Party win. With all their hidden agendas, everything just a turn over in a their face.
Imagine.
You remember?
Know what they want to do. All we have to do, meet the common man, talk with the common man, let them know that this is the path they want to take us, and we will not allow it.
Mama J,
All right.
remember after that, you know, the Prime Minister come out, come talk, you know, say, them make them money off for the poor people back. And him under him dead body. Them can't run Jamaica.
Yes,
All
he
right.
said he will not allow it.
I will not allow it
Right.
under me dead body.
I will
So
not
nobody-
allow it.
Nobody feel like say boss no know where them a cook up, you know.
That's
Cause when
all.
them a
That's it,
cook up, we have a bigger pot for them.
But when you remember, say, the last election with Peter Phillips, you remember the rumor when I spread for Andrew? You remember say, oh, say me go for, and
Andrew
talk about
House,
say,
man.
The
Yeah.
house, all right.
Yeah.
Then do the house, and the man and the wife, and everybody can prove them things to them. No, they say they come for now because they enrich half a poor people, half a Jamaican people money,
But
and they
remember,
have no
say,
proof. So every time
Let me tell you
election come,
something.
you know, every time
Everybody
come,
put up money and say anybody can come with something with that with under teeth and poor people first. Then fi come, then fi talk. And me Vegas put up money and nearly $30,000 them put up. If somebody come say, no, nobody can come.
People put up money too. And
So-
I think some parliamentarian of the Jamaica Labour Party put up some money too.
all right. So what I'm saying now,
People do that.
saying that is saying this now. Every time they're trying to come with something for Anjo, for lose it. When they say they can't beat Anjo, and then have nothing, they don't have nothing positive to say to Jamaican people, for help the country, then they attack Anjo personal life. Trying to gain something from it for the election, and it's not working. People are fool. People go to them back to that. People change the election from back there. Because Andrew Taylor already said, he might change the election in the dirty politics anymore. He might do clean politics in the dirty politics, and two PMP use the dirty politics. They cannot change from it. All right. Next question. When we ask people them now, are they we have a discussion, and everybody complain. All right, PMP say Anjo and Nigel Clark raise up for them peer, raise up the MP them peer, and the teacher, doctor, civil servant that suffer. All right, people they quote and against it. Which PMP MP say they don't want no money? They only want for them pay regular player. They don't want to raise a peer. They might give back. Which one of them say that?
None.
So if you have a problem by the prime minister raise up on peer, and you have a problem saying Jamaica people are suffer and you help Jamaica, why not say then listen up, I stand for something. Me peer when you raise, me no want it. Give back to Jamaican people them. No do it.
No.
You remember when Abuse my tell lie. When take a peer cut and say in a peer, he might okay. Thank you. We don't argument this so.
Remember, so the slave master did say him not take film with him PR stunt, and nobody don't know him really.
Yes, me hear you.
Yeah, even though they tried, I don't know if you guys realize how much they come with all these lies and to tear down the prime minister. And no matter what they do, the man look fresher and fresher every day. May I talk to the ladies them? When you see the man look good and fresh, they can't hurt him.
so man, then now yeah, it tough to say man, all right.
The man,
Love is scared over here.
When they say I should have been him, Anjo.
I don't mean the way they plan, but because I like it to the ladies, mostly. All the man look good. They're rude. They serve for them.
No, for real, you know. The scrutiny that Anjo owners come under every day from this man become prime minister from 2016 to now. Anjo is the strongest man in the world, you know.
Me say it too. Me say it every day.
Yo, the man mentally, physically, every Ali strong man. Me I tell you, me don't know how to do it.
So the man tell say when them come out with the thing upon him, ask people to take and get the money. The man say he leave everything to God. Only God know. Only God alone know.
Well, hearing a start next week, no sir.
Yeah, well, not all
Well, me want such man want Andrew to sue him, wants Andrew to sue him for 500 million. And the next what it trade him, when it trade him get sued for 500 million each.
We not sue nobody,
Yeah,
man.
man.
We bigger than that, man. We be the bigger person, man. Donald, what you say?
No, it's a exemplary asset. Exemplary asset. Give back, he sue him and give back the people the money. Just the church they don't want it. Just give money to some foundation.
That's not where I go on with.
Me never know me come up, you know. Me never know me come up, man. I hear the name, me just there listen.
We know say in your kitchen, man, because we here go out one bag of cooking.
No, so me just wake up. Me not really there. Near one, you know. Me there far.
Okay.
Yeah, me there Calgary.
Calgary.
Yeah. But me is the original showman, you know, from Mandeville, you know.
Calgary in the US?
No, Canada.
Canada.
Yeah. And from Sally Portia's days, them, I mean, he's one of the man who used to walk with her and carry her, you know.
Yeah.
One guard
So you go home.
Mandeville.
So
You
you go home. You go back home, go vote, right?
have to, man.
Okay.
Have to, man. You have to.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
What are we need to do that?
Yes, man.
man.
So show up for a long
And you
time.
get-
Anyway.
And you get your new ID. You have your new ID.
Yeah, man, me have that before me they come up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good.
Yeah, man. But me I
That's
tell
the
the
main
people
thing,
them
you know.
that
A lot of these people
yeah,
have to get them ID up and running, get numerate, get up ID.
yeah.
So
Me see,
when the day come,
yeah, me see them a gang up on the lady in a Mandeville, they want to watch her, you know.
go that
The
Rhoda,
MP, Rhoda, yeah.
them alright, man. Rhoda tougher than them, man.
Yeah, but we want the support from everywhere still, you know, more to get even a bigger margin too. We ensure, you know.
Come like, you know, yeah, we say all I see them where I take a one government. Andrew Wellness.
Yeah. But Mandeville is a place where me don't know.
No worry about that. We not go back there so again. We not talk about no done no in other politics. Him the them on the ballot box.
Me know, but me still know what take place the last time and the money we run and who run and everything. You know.
Well, we not worry about that. God.
All the old MP run money down there the last time. You know.
And he lose, don't it?
Yeah? No man, in a local
lose.
me attack.
Well, local election, you know, on a local election, you know. You have to, it's a difference between parish council election and election.
I know that. But them still are gonna have that the same
Alright.
strategy if you run back money again.
Don't worry yourself, man. We got this.
Donald,
Maybe I love the G2K, him forget me a little bit more active too, you know.
Donald,
Hello.
I first met you.
Me hear you every day though, every day.
Yeah, so it's good to hear you.
Yeah man.
You carry him up by accident, Philippian.
Okay.
Yeah man.
Big old man, Marcia.
But me no know if the public sector this time around now go vote against their interests. When they get so much thing. Eh?
I say me a Mandeville man too, but I don't know if me know you still, because I'm there on Sally Portia's too.
I strength this.
Original.
Me Donald this man, shower man. Me don't know if you know me there girl man. I me did up a hot seal and then he shoot up, you know. Then he shoot me up one time in a man will let you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they shoot up on businessman runner. You pick up you now?
Yes, man.
Sorry to hear that.
Yeah, man. Hey, me say that's why me I say me I listen to you from your command, you know.
Yeah.
And I say, let me see me pick up that brother. Then again, you know, not bring, you know.
Yeah, man, me dey do some business at Hartsfield.
That thing you want to see my old brother.
Eh?
You never know, say you did move on.
I made it pack up the business. I made have some family and I really want me to do nothing more again. So I did just pack up, you know, sell out and everything.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's the way they stay, man. That's the way they stay there.
But me I come from far too, you know. I use ideas, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I am my original boss, you know. So you know that's I know Siaga till me come the back of Mandeville, so you know until me there on solid so. And me there grey going and we start go up garden and ride through the thing. Yeah.
But we there still, brother, and you know, me a man like this, and me a burn the fire like, yo.
Me hear you
like
every day, man.
yo.
Day and night, me hear you, man.
Come like one put fire.
Yeah, man.
And light up fire and them go right back and me a tell them, you light the people, them man, they too liar wicked, man.
But me not think the public sector, them are going to vote against their own interest this time, man. Okay, end up back in a problem. So can't get pay and get all out again.
So what they get, then still with it.
Listen. The last local issue of Ghana there, the private sector vote wicked against Andrew. Me I tell you that. So watch that.
No care else them they go on, so no care what they get. Then believe in them parties what they want.
So you have some whole set of people now got changing, but me think the young people them I think
no.
I get a second thought and I think, you know.
You know, mostly old people them change more than young people them out. You have to check out that most old people them change. Because in my community, may I tell you say from me born and me they grow they are PNP running. And when the year showed, everybody switch on them. None of them no run up now. And a Dr. Changa era Clark era that day.
Yeah.
Of course. When I see old people come out and they tell it, one of them said to me, say, make them go on, do you think I go vote for them?
I wonder how they lose the seat them I do. I know what seat them.
That's why this man went on the panel live, no me the try if he said me can't drop in when time you know have Pops call panel live. For true him I said
well, power can go on and over, man. They blow now go on with themselves. A couple of this big. This thing they go with there too. That weekend. But
and then this was have one bypass for the Hanover town or so.
Yeah, man, it's soon done, man. Yeah, man, it's soon done. But what may I say? Hanover look safe now because look on it.
Hold on. Marcia.
Yeah.
Finish say what you say. Hold on.
When I said this man went on the panel live, it Pops called me. I want to drop in, but I didn't get no request. So because me hear him say in our community when they try to build ball ground, the liberator they try to build the ball ground and then stop him. You know, so that when they happen in my community. Because me remember one time this man named Tony Dillon used to run in come with him chapter and he did the one whole place one ball ground. And the PNP them stop it, so they don't want him, Billy Portia Simpson go do it. And they never do it until today. They don't have nothing in our community. Boost holding on anti-community. So they say a little bit of change in our community. No from them. You know where that drive got some community that see them have some nice ball ground with them community center for the little youth. Them can go play them ball, play basketball and then something there. We don't have nothing like that there. And every day you then the ball power and they not do nothing for them.
Well, the odds is against them this time, you know, because they not get no whole heap of the brown envelope them, you know. And can't go down a Paris Council to get them brown envelope.
Right, so when they left, then go down go sit down, all of them sit down half right out.
Yeah.
And they call it then like envelope and then gone. Just that them I want.
Yeah, cause remember when Sally pushes them they lose the local government election, you know. And the man them see me around a Charlton and they laugh, you know, man. Because everybody come then just call people and give them a random contract and I say and give them one check and I say, are you do that the contract there, you do that and the man them say, oh Labor left this whole heap of money in it and them I get it. And the man, them never afraid to talk how them get the money either. So, them not get that little thing there again, you know, so I don't know how to go work with. I work out hard for them, harder for them.
I have this guy then called Soldier, and I buy out the whole of the guy then become vote for him, and then just eat him out and left him. When they feel same and go win, the whole of them vote for Dr. Chang because they know they can't go to Dr. Chang. Dr. Chang go support the whole of them.
Me so next time me used to keep whole heap of dance and a big dance and promote whole heap of dance and something. And when I go for my permit and I down at the local government place there, you know, or parts council, you know, you see the man them down there again, you know, I show me all the PMP them, I show me all the check with them and collect, you know.
Watch out.
I violate all the people, you know, when you have to do to join line, then I join all line, you know, all the whole of them and they basically I go for them to check, you know, I join all line. You just come in violation and then come and then you know tell you the whole of the business, them business. Yeah? The money they come collect man, cause them a show off and a boss, you know. Yeah. So the odds is against them, and I think they're sitting there run again more than so. So this whole heap of money now running in their surrounding again, you know, so.
The young people, them, enough of them love money, they don't want to work.
Yeah. As long as I PMP them, brother, then you see it, you know, that then you say that them a fight for, you know, that envelope. You see that envelope there? You come, yeah. And nothing good, man. Then I kill you over it. That's why enough people get dead too, you know, they over there and see them envelope there. Yeah. Yeah, boy. But as I say, I don't like the lady down there get some help. If G2K come back and help them walk back the street and convince back the people them again. But I don't see them so active.
Them do them thing, man.
But I don't see them active again, sir. I mean, ask about
them do them thing.
Probably after the big meeting at town, them a go jump out or whatever, I'm not sure. But everybody effort, you know. It will take everybody effort, you know. And it will work.
Alright, my boss, they catch you later cause there's a positive Jamaica YouTube later, so catch you later, Pani.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I hope they go all out. I hope they go all out this time if we talk one-on-one with the people, you know. And nobody now have to say here we have 49 seats in us, so therefore we now have to do nothing. Or we now have to go back to the people and you know. I just hope we get the job done, you know, with everybody effort.
Jamaica not gonna be like the old Jamaica way, you know, man.
No, so I don't want to go that way there either.
Good evening, labor rights.
Hello.
Remember when we were a young boy in the
Morning,
70s?
Bronx.
Show it to the world, brother.
Remember when we were a young boy in the 70s, you know, I remember the happy saying all 4 or 5 hours we go to a different shop just to get what she wants.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man.
Target all the time.
In the 90s, never so better, never so good either.
Never look a story for give you know. In my division, you and then division, this PMP council come around against Andrew Harris. Him name them call him Mr. King. And me say, you see when he come on our ends, all of the ends them go. Akiwak, Mamali, you and then every ends him go. And him buy out the labor right them, you know. I tell you, him buy them out, you know. Liquor, anything they want, then go to him. Pay $50,000, $30,000. Who get 70, who get 20, who get 30. The man send we all of foreign, you know. By much, I think about 8 or 9 plane ticket in by, you know. PNP come down, come vote, you know. At local government election, in Ghana. And the whole of the labor right them, name him out and shit him out. Beg your pardon for my language.
Oh, God.
The whole of them, name him out. And me never see him come out here again for it happen.
I'm not how you do business, man. You take and you go vote. Nothing wrong with taking the money, you know. Right. You take the money, man, and go and go vote. You know, vote, you know.
You know, long some of them money we take money and fly come down to Jamaica could even buy a ticket.
No, I buy them ticket and send for them to come vote.
Me know, maybe some of them there and can buy the ticket and him do them a favor.
May I tell you, it was a joke when it ends, may I tell you. The whole of them, and then guess until now, him have a liberate them name set down in a book, you know, won't give money. Them never care. Them take him money and vote him out. And Mr. Harris went back in seat. Yeah? So I saw them for do. And in the ear of them going and buy out the labor right, them take the money from them and vote them out.
Yeah, one thing don't hear.
Yeah, that I'm for them.
Everybody had a roof one time. Are they something that what? I'm talking for it. Yeah, man.
What does it here?
If it's a mash up metal, yeah,
Yeah, man, that's how it for go, man.
Well, 6 o'clock over YouTube, you know.
no, General.
No, I'm sitting here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Next year.
Respect.
Hey, where you going with?
You know, say me want to ask you a question. This brother, this PNP black guy when he hardball. Me you want to get him, but me don't ever show.
Anything we tell them on that serious business. Anything you tell them about that serious thing and no joke business.
No, I hear my ears say they get him with goat
Yes, man. No joke.
We can't expect better. When I have a thief in around and them love to call people thief.
Who that the man that cost labor, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Lashika over YouTube. 6 o'clock she started.
Positive Jamaica, guys. No member, you go on YouTube later. 6 o'clock. Positive Jamaica. Yeah, man.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Okay.
You want to taste on board, huh?
Up on YouTube, Positive Jamaica.
Yeah. Yeah, did I ever do make them?
Richie Rich.
Yo.
Me see one of my virgin, me see one of my virgin when he maul and post it up on YouTube, you know. and him not have on a shirt.
You get a YouTube already?
Yeah, man, him not have on a shirt. And the man say, look quiet. Him not have on a shirt on YouTube.
Lord, my God. How that the man cause it labor, right? And the man thief a gang what?
Hey, they have him down at Mandeville police station right now with all the goat in I cell with him.
He must see what money for the campaign.
Yeah.
Lord God. Hey.
I want to charge if I pray the last and go test.
Yes, I pray
the last. Pray the last, never charge him for.
And go theft. All him can come back on no social media and contact somebody.
You want to ease him up in a plank.
Bless. Oh, me no mercy upon thief. Go thief, man.
More Filipinian do something for me, you know. More put up the ugliest blogger. And more know the ugliest blogger who, you know.
I don't put up those on this page.
No, Philippine, we not post people picture. We post about we party and we achievement of we party.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
want to do the
I
ugliest
do.
black. I come see
Yeah,
how the
exactly.
one over there and then scale bad.
Well, you can post them up.
I want some of them picture we post because I'm not afraid.
Moi ask you another question, you see.
Yeah.
Vanisha Phillips. When me in my estimation, me I want like every right at this time Fisher run in a one seat. You think it's suitable right now?
Between me and if you can't find a seat where she, nobody no want that, she can't take it. She up for the job. She a bright somebody, so.
We
I think
agree with
she
that,
has
but we know what I'll take his seat now and then go back with that me afraid, you know.
No man, she not go do that. We don't think she'll do that. She upset with everything with them. And how them
Yes,
do
yeah,
that.
because I see I don't chill out, don't two over something and China make some serious talk against them.
Me say, she know you not nothing with them. She know you not
So
nothing
we
with them.
see the piece should have fit in her.
That no seat now available for her, you know. You know, so every seat I get taken.
Well, I look man, but one time like one program I'm here one brother I say how much people up a hardly sharp place. All man left from PNP and want go run VC out there, some don't know what go on up there.
Oh, and you near colors when him keep on color party there. Him me not think him a go get it. One of them PNP man there, a man with them. I peer them, him a one of the peer them.
Yeah, one PM here. But they say man left from in just recently left out of PNP so it's not too quick. You shouldn't even the campaign so quick.
But him a get the seat though, me not think hardly a game.
You know what I say?
I don't think hardly a go game.
Because it look like Mr. Road beside the hardly, you know. That's the profit road, you know.
Between yeah man, me say that, but between me and you, I don't prefer give Phillips the girl the lady there. I don't prefer give her the lady a seat over him too.
Exactly like me I said though. That's why me ask about she.
Yeah, me not think she might go get that the seat there. I'm not ready for that there. Party man and selector and he used to come play for me too, you know. So I know him good, but as I say, a councillor seat if you go deal with.
Well, we want to come and run and send catch him, but him not get the support from him caretaker calls and them at all, brother. Them not push them at all.
And sometimes you have to have the cash for care, you know.
Yeah, but he might push out here first. He might push out here for the one thing, so them fi give me support, man. Them not give me support.
As I tell you, say, suppose the man must spend more than him.
No, man. He might take up a thing for the head, man. I tell some man, he might doing things, man. Tell him, man. Come here, pan down with him, man. And sometimes I ask him, so what happened to the man, they make no money. They might pull different way from him, brother. Because him, when last week, before last Monday gone, he was able to go for one tour in a Bovras division. And we are expecting if I'm one of them would have come with the man and give him a cent. I'm brother Frank Clarendon. I'm brother Frank Clarendon, we are counselor. I feel up and down with him. You understand?
Yeah.
In your power, Brown. You understand?
That not gonna work, you know. So you need the support of everybody, you know.
They know hit me, I say. I hit me, I say.
So that not
You
work. You have to go find out why they're not supporting too.
Richard, are you going for Upper Slagoville? Are you a Slagoville man?
Yeah, man, see you, man. Yeah, man. So, why me not left him for anyone? Cause me not this thing. Me have no say me have your hope and down anywhere. This I go and call me. Me have did it with him, brother. Me not left him alone. Because as far as me see it, him had the humble one come for a long time and look like him will do something. All every time them come, as then yesterday lose them gone. You know see them again. You know see them them
have to be careful, you know. You have to be careful of the narrative on a set. You understand what I say? The party do them work. The party do them internal, external work, and they know what is best. Me and Uno only sit down out here so and I look at what's going on.
True.
You understand me? So I have to be careful of the things I want to say, the narrative I want to come spill on social media. Last night, we were here talking about G2K and Positive Jamaica Forever Blessed. And this morning there was a message out that Jamaica Labour Party social media no have no presence or something like that. You understand what I'm saying? And this is why I always say to you guys, you have to be careful. You understand what I'm saying? You guys have to be careful of the things on come say. Speak it in your community or speak it among yourself, but be careful of the things, the narratives on come talk about on social media.
All right, thanks for telling me, man. Sometimes people can get.
I agree with you, but when I talk a facts still, you know. When I talk
that is your facts. That is your yeah.
We're not talking about it here.
Last night them did over politics at about G2K.
So you will intervene, just pass and just cut it off, you know? It always happen sometimes.
Well, we are working about we are helping him.
Richard and Donald, hold on.
Chica, why you say now, sweetie pie? What am I say?
It was an argument about G2K and whatever, and whatever. I'm not even want to go back into it now, but this morning the PNP them have it, and then the message that they are sending, you can see it is based on the conversation. You understand them? I say, oh, if the party social media blogging, they done something. But I know that it is stemmed from the repeated conversation that we have been having in public, and I have been saying to everybody, "Uno done the argument, uno leave it alone." I've always said, if the party, God forbid, lose the election, I am not a part of it. I come here and I do my part, and I say this to everybody: do what you can do.
But that's what I don't understand, you know. Why we you see me I grow up in a way where I was told not to look at another person. Focus on you. Focus on what you are doing and what you need to do to get the job done. And that's how we have to do. We not fear focus on una this and una that and whatever. Come and play your part. You understand? Support with each other live and we do it here.
Yeah, and
certain people in certain position are gonna come out from screen record like me. I go say the things and when me I go say, I say the things and when you are gonna say. So more time we should still. You understand?
And this is why me I try say to Rich him come and I say nobody now support or whatever. You're not internal. You're not internal. So we there and we are see things and we are say things. It is not like what we think or how we believe or how we feel. And I've always said again that me trust the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister must know what I'm do. He's not an idiot.
No,
so yes. Hold on, let me finish. Yes, you like a particular person, but you don't have to come here and say, oh, him nah, this, him nah, and that. You can, your choice of words, you can say, instead of saying, nah, get the support, you can say, I wish him get a little more support. You understand what I'm saying? Choice of words is important. And we have to be careful.
You have a point still.
Yeah, man, you're correct, Filipino. You're so correct.
And oftentimes we come here and say things, and we cause the problem among the party. We cause the problem because we come here and say, oh, we want this, we want this, we want that, with this, with that, and whatever. And when we don't get it, we come out with Black Road and we start to protest. Make the party do its thing. You understand me? Nobody come with the segregation and who are gonna get who for seat and who not get it.
Chica, you have to tell them, you know, maybe them don't know say everything we talk over here is recorded up.
Every single thing. Sometimes I go on YouTube and hear my own voice over there.
Everything we talk over here. So Donald and Rich, them record
man, you're
it.
correct.
Yeah, man.
Sometimes if you don't come on social media and connect with a person, you just say, yo, what your number? Me, you can talk about a thing. You understand what I say? And go on the phone and talk.
We not going to do it again in the Philippines, but somebody else going to do it. So just chip in fast enough and set it down. Sorry. So everybody have to just shut it down because somebody else will come with it sometime. So we have to just shut it down fast enough. So you're correct, man.
And there is place where he can go and explain his views. There is place that he can go to and also explain his views
Right.
about certain things. Understand?
Yeah.
There is place there where he can also go and get in touch with Dr. Chung, and there is place where he can go and explain itself.
But guys, I always tell you, the people, you see the people are we make up the party. What are we doing? What are you doing to push out the message? Because a lot is out there and bloggers are begging people to share, post, to comment and post. I don't see nobody up. We just make up numbers. We don't help bloggers who have put out certain things. We don't comment. We don't like. We don't read.
That is what is strength. Philippian, this is not the first time I hear him come and tell the same story a while ago. What he does.
To the person.
We don't want
to address that already.
We just tell you if he just done. Just talk about
No man, the man I tell him I go on good still now. The man I tell about him I go on good still now. Me I tell you now.
Rich, calm down. Just listen what the female them say.
No man, me I hear man.
Just calm down. Listen.
All right.
Filipinas say when them post stuff, we not take it and repost it. So it get a wider view. We don't do that. We don't do that. We don't follow everybody with them on the platform. So when everybody post something, when Philippian post something and me get it, me repost it. When Sheikah post something and me get it, me repost it.
And spread it.
Right.
All right.
That's what she talking about. But you just make up one bag of noise like a union Nathaniel.
Nah man. I told me can I think deep man. I me want the thing for grow. You understand? Me want the thing for grow.
I will say, you know what I will say. Uno have to start doing our own campaigning. Go
We are doing it, man. We are doing it.
Go talk to the neighbor them. Stop worry about that. If a win is a win. If them put goat there and the goat win, we win. If them put dog and we win, we win. So no worry about that.
I tell you what, do it thing. We are going to do it.
Encourage your neighbor to vote for Labour.
I feel me name that man. I feel me name that. Me sleep and dream that man. And that have me work. You understand? We are dealing with him, man. Don't worry yourself. All right. Respect here.
Thank you. No problem.
All right.
Me in the comments I listen again. So me get somebody me box.
Hold on, Sheikah, tell them the platform where you go depend so them can come on it tonight.
Okay, Positive Jamaica guys in
YouTube.
On YouTube, Positive Jamaica. Come and come support me over there because we need to be over there. The amount of misinformation. Huh?
It was stream on TikTok too?
I go try to see if I can stream it on TikTok as well.
Okay.
What time?
What time that should be?
1 hour 15 minute time.
6 o'clock Kuna time.
1 hour 15
okay.
time.
In the next hour and 15. Positive Jamaica guys.
My YouTube.
Over there, Chuck over there, Petal over there, Plank over there, and a few others. So no come.
On YouTube?
Yes.
All right. Respect.
I can't bother with the negativity, so no come over there with it.
Now let's go observe, man. And listen. Don't worry, everything all right, man.
I don't know all labor rights easy to get so shaky, Sheikah, because guess what?
No, them.
PNP are trying to control the narrative about they release contracts and not dead. We're dead in the water where that is concerned, and we are not. I don't know how many laborers don't know so there's a contractor general report, and them just easy to just quail up and get so shaky.
But the document is there. The document is there where they say them pay DB and G. Who own DB and G?
$30 million US dollar. So you know what they do to the blogger, dirty labor right. Me talk to him today, and him said them report him page en masse. TikTok, not TikTok, where place the name X. Over X. The whole of them gang up on him over X. Because you put the truth out there. And all labor rights people do. Me see 1 and 2 people have it on them TikTok. Share it, let people see.
Wow. Dirty labor right or something and friending up on X. Me not even see me. I go look for him page and see what going over there.
Yeah, today then gang up on him because in tag Brushy 2 string and the whole of them night and Lambert Brown. So then gang up, the whole of them gang up and go you put the truth out here. $30 million was paid out to DBG. That is the contractor general report. FinTech paid them that. So when we come out here and we attack, me don't know want some labor rights. You can make you Richard you Richard what acknowledge thieves class a free zone. Bring the company where I work with what put bread pan in table in tea from them.
Him help tear down the company.
Tear down the economy, tear down
But him say Petal you need to send me the recording. Him say him couldn't survive. So him have to thief. Remember say the money never enough. Remember him still and we say it.
Let me send it to you right now before I forgot.
Yeah.
Hold on.
And them say it and we say it. Them used to suffer under PNP time. The man will come black for the People's National Party every single day. Saying used to thief to survive. You hear me say? So all them are going to tell me about PNP. All them are going to tell me about PNP. He used to thief to survive. Him help tear down the company and the economy. Them are crosses.
Crosses, big dirty crosses.
I don't know when labor rights come out and come and get people. No comrades can make this for me. No comrades can make this for me.
No time, no day. See me go over them live the other day and them gang, and them not allow me to talk. So till the dirty boy come and say, chew out, Chica. Chew her out. The Barracuda. As a Petal call them, the Barracuda. Chew her out.
Really? Scale them, man.
Really?
Scale them.
We have too much information.
Who watch 411?
I watch it all the time.
And that is another thing. And that is another thing to liberate.
Frank, you watch JPU?
On the ear?
Most people, listen, 400 people, 40,000 companies that.
Hold on, let me cue it up. When him start talk, make gonna hear it again.
Exactly, because most people, listen, we hear something like that. Most work at free zone, and only way me survive me class and go spend that community survive.
So only no make no comrade, no day, no boy and deep class, no day, no time. That's make gonna get shaky. That me I tell you now. I want to know don't know want come meet up our Prime Minister in a Bangarang. Move from here, sir.
Nathaniel, you can mute your mic, because I don't know how your background noisy, so.
A thief class and one come fresh him damn self. Class thief. I never knew that.
And they own people them.
No, P, me never watch 411, you know. You see, if somebody not tell me, say, it's a labor right platform that me nah go over there.
And that me did I go tell your plan say it's not a labor right platform. Guys, I don't have to be careful. While they are sharing the information, guys, remember say if
me don't look for PNP.
Hold on, there's a 411 different Andrew.
Hold on.
Yeah, we know.
Wait.
411 defend Andrew to the max.
We know that, but listen to what Chica is saying.
You see, while they are sharing the facts, them just mad with them party now. Remember, say, if they move the massa man tomorrow morning and put in their favorite comrade, what are they going to do? What are they going to do? Them are going to turn complete Andrew same way. Remember what you guys are doing. Don't build them up to come tear with down. Yes.
Remember, what name that them you want? What the beauty queen name?
Yes. Remember, guys. Yes, we can like information. Yes, we want them to talk good about the Prime Minister, but do not get carried away. Come on, the background noisy, man.
I'm not Daniel, man. I can't mute him.
You can't mute him. Remember, guys, do not get carried away. Me not say can't support them.
What to JPU?
Me can't say all of them are PNP. Remember, me can't say can't support them.
All of them.
But remember, when them favorite comrade becomes leader of the party, the 10,000, 20,000 I don't know what over there are them same one at platform I go use and here we don't remember that. I'm just saying.
Chica, you know have to tell me, because me now go over there. Me not even go look for them. And that me I tell you. Me, I over here some me there. We see me family them there. Me no stray. Yeah, Patsy, stop.
About some good labor right platform.
Stop going over there. And stop listening to them.
Let me tell you some good labor right platform. Positive. In name
Steady.
Steady. And you have one when name
Steady.
Something about uplifting JA or something like that.
Steady.
One when name something on that JA, lifting up JA. Building JA or something.
We are not saying we don't like them. I am just telling the labor rights them to be cognizant of the fact. The fact is they are comrades. And let me tell you something. They come here, not 411, they come here already on different platforms. And when we speak about their favorite comrades, them not like it. Them get mad. You don't have to listen to me. You don't have to listen to me. When they come here, first thing they come tell we say, we don't have to talk nothing about history.
Yes.
You know, hear what me say? Them say we don't have to talk nothing about history. I am just saying, don't be fool. As our boss say, don't be naive. I am not telling us to go listen to the facts, and we appreciate what they're doing. But I am just letting you guys know. Build them up to come do a. See Dujan there, the other day, Dujan posted a picture with them favorite comrade. All him say, she was a part of G2K, right? And the lady attacked Dujan long time, him not like it, and him say narrative and whatever, because when Matt lose the election, and at time for them put in them favorite person, them no want nothing bad out there with them. They don't want us to come here and talk about the history, about FinSac, about the economy. Them no want we come here come talk about the 18 years of nothingness. As what the man would say of jackassness. So, me just say, don't build up a man for come break you down. That's all me I say. You don't have to read between the lines, over the line, under the line, in between, any own one do it. That's all me I say. That's all me I say. Me don't talk.
Now upon them life, Baba. If me then pass me listen what the conversation first before me go.
Remember one thing, me can tell you now, them a comrade first, second and third.
And last.
Guys, I see the comments. I don't want to get it twisted. I don't dislike what they're doing. I like what they're doing, but I'm just putting it in the, if you don't want to put your back on the brain or the front part on the brain, I'm just saying they are comrades.
Come in a comfy fast. No division over here, you know.
Me understand what you're saying, Mama. Me understand clearly what you're saying, because me understand what you're saying. But reason why I said that to say plan, I choose with the integrity commission, she analyzed it so good.
Integrity report.
She analyzed it so good, and you know she always a big up Andrew.
But P, look which part I come from. Me I come from the same community, you know. How much people you see big me up on me and them the deal?
Me know.
Eh? And you met me and your son deal back, you know. All right. So
because
remember,
Karen, they are listening to you in a plan. So let me tell you
listen to me.
Let me tell you something, plan. You see me?
Tell Karen some more about my slippers when take off of my foot.
That mash up the one for another one.
You see, Jaja. Now get no more Karen.
Plan. You know nothing can change me.
Me know that, P. Me know that. Me born can see a shower woman, you know.
Yeah, me a delegate to my party. Me a workers to my party. Me a do everything. Me and me picking them everybody.
And you hand it over to your kids them. You hand it over to your kids them.
Yeah.
Our place, man. We are work for our place now in a car.
Me know what?
Our time.
Yeah.
Fix up.
Eh?
I'm ready mash up. I'm ready to fix up the road, mash up the garbage, kill it, kill it.
Because let me tell you something, Plank. You see, in that constituency, all garbage to the on top of their head. Because guess what? None of them, every day, I want man I win and him not do nothing.
Me talk here. Everybody knows say I might cry that every day. Bobby Pickers did I worse MP me ever say.
And come you go. And come this one.
No, you can't cuss you go, you know. You don't want to cuss you go because you are going. Him not do nothing see from him win. Me nah go cuss him. Me nah go cuss him because from him win, him just walk out of politics. So me won't even cuss him. You understand? But Bobby Pickers, hey, you know what I want to ask you, Patsy? You know from Jack Stevens, you're in a politics from Jack Stevens the time, right?
From Jack Stevens.
You're in a politics from
Plank.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Plank, you remember in a Udo selection?
Yeah, man. Remember.
You know. Okay. Okay, boom. All right. Plank, Robin. Plank, Robin, I say hello.
Come on. Road boy, you have to call me on my phone. You have my number.
I have no number for you.
Robin, not tell me that. You have a boss enough for years, you know. Not tell me that.
Me just tell you, say. But me hear she say, yeah, to pop up.
We'll talk about that, road boy.
Brother, you say name Orient. What you say now?
Yes, sir.
They don't want nothing. Long. Robin say Bamber people they don't want nothing because they always have voted the same old.
We're going to change that. We're going to change that, Robin. Not say nothing, man. We're going to change that.
Want to know how the Integrity Commission say them thing about the Prime Minister and say him not declare massive and thing. How that runs, man?
Alright. And that you come with now, we don't pass that long time, you know?
Oh, so me just come out to me and say, boy, I don't understand.
Yeah, me I say no, Orion. We pass that topic there already and we now go back down there, so you understand?
Oh, hello.
So we are left that alone right here now. We now go back there, so.
Nathaniel, the person probably don't know and the person asking for explanation can tell them.
Alright, help him out, Philippian. Help him,
Somebody
Philippian.
maybe Jay can come up and explain.
That's how I declare massive and them still I say that. That mercy. Because if them can clear, they're not supposed to do that. That them don't go make bad things to the party. That me I talk about.
No, but the Prime Minister declared asset in the general. They even go as far as getting an international forensic audit demand documents, things them. And the result come back we show that them find nothing. And the Prime Minister. So when you see them do me G, just a witch hunt. It's just a witch hunt them are going with, brother. Even the same prosecutor from inside there said the Prime Minister should not be prosecuted. The same prosecutor from the same Integrity Commission. When they sent it to her, she said there is nothing to prosecute the Prime Minister for.
Okay. Alright,
I hear it. Nothing.
You know them.
The Prime Minister do nothing that is wrong.
Okay. Understand them.
Man, the man just like the hosting. I see me talk to one of my co-worker one day, you know, and she say, a bad mind. Yeah? That same like how them he draft him house and whatever, because of 3 years them hold on the man declaration for and not certified. 3 years. And they deliberately wait until it's 1 year to an election to release whatever. That night they can't open their mind.
The Peter Phillips one when he come out with the wicked ugly face man.
Greetings, everybody. So, well, yeah, but they just want to come and set him straight to explain to him because it seemed like he misunderstood. But it seemed like him on the right track now anyway. You understand now, brother?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. But what we are listening to, we are getting news from, okay? Because there's a whole heap of misunderstanding and lies, whole heap of lies out there. Just be careful. The Prime Minister carried them to court not to change the law because the Governor General, the Attorney General is not there. So I'm not changing no law. I'm asking for a review. A review is where you have something and you review it. To review to see if they follow the law and if what they're doing, if it's right and legal.
They're looking over it.
Exactly. It's a review, not to go and change no law. Okay.
Yeah, really looking.
Okay. All right. So just be careful where you listen to, because the PMP them out there spread a whole heap of lie.
Because I'm overseas.
You're overseas.
Yeah.
Okay.
So and another thing again, they said that they I was hearing this room as I say, I was hearing that some charity money was taken from the charity to do some form of investment and things.
Okay, all right. So the misunderstanding with that is there is the Positive Jamaica Foundation is not a registered charity, so him not collect no money from nobody. It's fee own money where him use to give out here and there.
His own money is a charity. I think
exactly.
Everybody freely give to that charity.
Nobody give to it. No.
So he's the only one that put money into that charity.
Yes.
Exactly. Yes. So it's like
it's not a charity. It's not a
charity where man collect money from Exactly. It's a saving. Yes.
It's not a charity. It's his own money.
It's like you put on. Yeah. It's like you put on some money.
Use that money and help people. So sometimes when I hear people appeal to him and say them want this or them want that, That is the
Yes.
money him use, but he used that money also and turn around in investment. And when he get
Yes.
the dividends, he use it and help people.
Okay, so I thought that
So
someone
it's
else give him money to.
No,
Let me
No.
explain. Let me
it's his
explain.
own money.
Let me
It's his
explain
own
this to
money.
you, Orin. What it is that you know if it's a charity, it must be registered with Jamaica, right? In order for you to collect money from anybody. So if it's not registered in Jamaica, right, you cannot collect money. That would be illegal. So he
Where is
just
it?
used the name charity loosely to say that it's a charity. He cannot take no money from anybody at all because it's not a register.
Name like that then.
Pardon me?
So you just use the name.
Use the name loosely to say yes, but if he's to take money from people, it must be registered by law.
Okay.
So it's not. That's why Dark Knight said it's not registered. It's not a register. Him just call it charity for his
So you don't
own.
get any money from overseas or
No,
nowhere.
cannot. That would be
You ever hear the
trouble for
Prime
him.
Minister ask nobody to donate to him yet?
No, I don't know. That's the reason.
No,
Yes, no.
you ever hear him appeal to people to come and donate money yet?
I never heard of that.
Yeah.
Right. So you never hear him say, "Oh, donate money to my charity." No. Him have
Yes.
this charity,
Right.
this thing where him call him charity
But
called
sometimes people
Positive
don't know because they have
Jamaica.
different mediums. So probably they
Right.
don't do it on there. So you know, I don't
No,
know.
you cannot do that.
But also,
It's
folks,
a foundation.
the word charity,
Foundation,
charity means that
charity.
Andrew use that fund, that company to issue charity, to give out funds,
Right.
right? So it's not a charity in its truest sense. Even let me give you another example. NHT, National Housing Trust. It is not a trust in a legal sense. You just name trust, right? So that company, Positive Media, it's not a charity that is required by law to be registered. It use that company to give out charity to people.
So it wouldn't be a trust. You're saying?
It's sorry.
I don't understand. You're saying it wouldn't be a trust.
No, I use NHT as an example. National Housing Trust. It's not a trust in its truest sense. It just names so in name.
Trust because it's higher purchase, so you classify it as being a trust, housing trust.
No, it's not a trust in its truest sense. It just names so. It is only a trust in name.
Charity now would be freely give something freely, so they can able to give it to the needed.
He was just giving an example.
Just an example, Orion. Just an example. I use NH. Let me go again.
You can use that.
Orion, listen. I use NHT as an example to say, although NHT name National Housing Trust,
because
it is not Orion. Listen.
NHT is just you're paying overtime. No, you can't tell me to listen when I know it's not right. Housing trust is something that when you're trusting something, right? So you're paying overtime.
No. You have it wrong. You have it wrong. You have it wrong, Orion.
No, that's
National
not what
Housing
it
Trust.
is.
Wait the Philippine. Let us wait there. National Housing Trust.
Right.
It's not a trust in the legal sense. It is only a trust in name. It just name so.
Okay.
Like how you have trust fund, but it's not trust. NH is not a trust fund.
NHT is not a trust fund. It's not your money.
So that's why I'm saying it's a trust. They're giving you a credit.
It is not a trust, sir. That's what I'm explaining to you. National Housing Trust is not a trust.
It's like a mortgage bank.
The houses cash. That's what you're saying.
No, Orion, NHT is like a mortgage bank then.
So what they do?
Everyone, let's just go back to the charity. Orion, forget about that. The point is, it's not a registered charity, and the Prime Minister used his own money to dish out or issue out to people asking for appeal to him for help.
Exactly.
And if you read the report, the Integrity Commission report, what I'm right, if you read it, you will get a clearer picture. Although, to be honest, there is some mistakes in there, but you have to use your own brain to kind of work out. It's a long read, but just sit and read it. And don't listen to you have to be careful with
I'm not listening to anyone, but I am not if the Prime Minister is wrong, he's gonna be wrong. If Mark Golden is wrong, he's gonna be wrong. Not that
Orion, you read the report, Orion?
No, I
Yes.
don't say that.
So where do you get your information to determine
I am
if
not
somebody is
saying
wrong
that.
or
I'm not
right?
saying he's wrong. I'm not saying he is wrong. I'm just giving
Let
you
him talk. Let
an
him talk.
example. Come on.
Hold on,
I
brother.
am
Hold on.
saying if whomever, it doesn't matter who the name is. If this guy is wrong, if they fundle with the money, he's wrong. He should be.
Which money?
Anybody doing politics.
Yo,
That's what I'm
go on to
saying.
carry the distraction now, Gazafa. Want to take down the distraction now? Take off him.
No,
Take
hold
him
on,
off,
Sam.
man.
Hold
Yes,
on, hold
understand.
on.
Me go come off. Me go come off.
Okay.
Me no.
Hold on, guys. Hold on now. Can't be so ignorant, because you have to remember you're speaking to 100 and how much people there per year. So if him have questions, and other people will have questions.
But
Orion,
that night, your answer him
somebody don't
already.
want. Let me go back to Grams. Yeah,
Alright.
Jesus
That
Christ have
night, your
mercy.
answer him, you know. Philippian answer him, you know. HR answer him, you know. Marcia answer him, you know. How much different term, you know. And you hear what I'm going to say? The Prime Minister funded with money.
No,
he didn't say that.
Listen what I'm saying. Him say anybody, him say politics. He did.
Orion, did you say that?
No, he was just saying if Mark Golden is fumbling with money, if the Prime Minister is fumbling money, they are wrong. That's the point he
And
was
that's
trying
the
to
whole
make.
and that's the whole point of the Integrity Commission, Orion, when it worked properly. Because I believe everybody here said we need an Integrity Commission, but one that work. And that's all I say. And one when I come produce rubbish like what them produce.
Right, and it's free of politics, right?
Free of political interference, because me say them to get a heap of people from overseas, stay for 2 years, and then leave. And that me think.
That night. The first question we should ask persons like Orion is, have you read the report that came out of the Integrity Commission? Any of them?
He said
No, and it don't seem like he's going to read it.
Just make him answer.
Orion, are you there?
Orion?
I think he said no,
Orion?
Must do him internet.
Have you read any of the report, whether it be the special report or the annual reports that come out of the Integrity Commission?
Well, it looks like him internet a beat him, But when I say Chuck and everybody else on the panel, I think, to be honest, I think we have to go back and ask people, do they really know what an Integrity Commission is, what it's for, and start work from there. Because my fear is a lot of people don't understand the function of the Integrity Commission. And then you have ignorant questions like this, But I think the PNP wants to keep people ignorant.
You see, that night, what we have to try, though, we have to try weed out the persons them that have genuine questions and the troublemakers. Because there are persons who, based on what them hear on social media, have genuine questions. Because, as we say, if you pass on and you listen to the current live, then you're not misinformed. So the question is, does Orion have genuine questions, or is he being a troublemaker? So I ask him now, has he read any of the reports that came out of the Integrity Commission?
Orion gone. Orion. So the man gone now.
Orion, his something is having a plus beside it, so just put him down maybe.
Hold on.
Orion, him a talk now. Orion?
Yeah, you hear me now?
So how long, where were you?
You don't know which one I want to mute me.
No, you never unmute. You weren't unmute.
So the question is, Orion, have you read the report that came out of the Integrity Commission?
No, I didn't.
Okay then.
Is it by the social media thing?
Then where have you gotten your information about?
Read that. So I have you as a party worker sign it right on it.
No. You get it wrong, because you can't take information from what people say. You have to read it yourself.
I say enough people can't read and you still do them vote.
Because all right, yeah, but we understand that, but you can read. And I same way you that allow the people them over so to tell you what is in it, and them not gonna tell you the truth.
But
Them
to
are
be
telling
honest,
lies and
Nathaniel,
propaganda.
mute.
I never read it.
Nathaniel, mute. The background is noisy.
Don't turn on the radio.
Mine get put out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but Ariane, in order to have a discussion about the Integrity Commission's report and what is in it, you have to at least spend some time reading it.
Right. So how many people you think don't read the Integrity Commission, boss?
We are talking to you now. We are conversing with you.
Yes, and I understand that. But you as the worker, right? What is your role? You think is your role to do?
Let me
That
ask
you know and other people don't know.
You see, we don't want you, why we said for you to read it, we don't want you to take what we're saying, right? You read for yourself and understand. But I'm going to ask you this question. What is it that you believe the Prime Minister did?
What I believe the Prime Minister did?
Yes.
Right. Because, no, we're not going to say that, right? What I am saying, right? Because there are other people around me now who want to.
No, we're asking you. We're asking for your opinion.
I'm getting at that, right? But when we hear that he need to file his statutory declaration and it's taking a while for him to do that and all of that, that raises eyebrows and things.
What if I tell you that the
Orion.
That is false too. That is false information.
Let's explain.
Orion, what if I tell you that the Prime Minister has filed his declaration on time every single year and it was never late?
So somebody must be penalized to be telling all these lies and stuff on the Prime
Then
Minister.
no, the PMP around with the lies them. The Prime Minister submitted his declaration long time and the Integrity Commission held on to it for 3 years and wait until 1 year to an election to release a report.
That's what Prime Minister Andrew Holden is supposed to come out and blatantly tell the people them and clear his name.
He did say it. He did say it.
You're not keep up.
You're not listen.
Can I say this?
Guys, don't shout it, please.
Can I say this to you? Can I say
Hold on. No tap now. Everybody tap. Everybody lock up. Hold on. No, something very. I just get that serious information now. I'll go pertain to this man. This young gen coming down in this area here is the relative of Nikita Burchell. He's Nikita Burchell brother. I mean, just get to understand saying been calling the Prime Minister thief. So your time expire, my brother. Yes, your time expire.
Hold on, Nathaniel. Let me ask you. Let me just ask you this question, Orain. Right? Let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Michael Phillips, right?
Right.
You heard that he was charged. Who mute him?
Unmute your mic.
Unmute your mic, please. Yeah. Can you hear me now? Nathaniel, turn on your background music, please.
You know, sir, yo, my people, no, watch your comment, you know. A long time somebody in the comment that I say, who this, and I tell you
Frank, we've always had political figures with them siblings on the other side. So
Munchie down in the comment, I tell you who, and nobody now look on our view.
But he hasn't said that, no, Frank. Him not confirm or deny that. Him not confirm or deny that. To be honest, I don't think it matters.
Just stop.
You know,
Just stop.
Manners and respect, everybody. Yeah, take care. Me not the comments.
Let me just ask him this question.
Please. The simple thing, guys. Listen to me. It doesn't matter. It could have been
Mark Golden's son.
The job that we have to do is to straighten out him argument because we can.
And he's not being rude. So come on. Right. Let's talk to him. What I said to you, right? Did you heard about Michael Phillips, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you heard that he was charged.
Right.
You know why he was charged?
Right, for not filing it on time or something.
On time. Like that. Have you heard that about the PM? So for the 3 years, did you ever hear them come out and say he didn't file his declaration on time? The Integrity Commission.
We heard that it didn't file.
No,
And,
yeah, but I asked you a question. Did you?
Hold on. I remember now about Michael Phillips stuff. I think there something that was missing out of the filing or something like that.
No, what she's asking, yes, he's late. He did not file and he was charged. Did you hear of the PM being charged for filing his declaration late?
I heard that it didn't file. That's what I heard.
Where did you hear that information?
Okay, if you
and
heard
did you
that,
hear the Integrity
That's what I heard.
Commission put out any charge against the PM about his declaration being late?
I didn't hear about the charge, but I heard
there
about
you go. Right.
There
So
was no charge, so you're not going to hear about it. Because as we've said before, the PM always file his declaration on time. But Michael Phillips never filed for him one. What is he hiding?
Irene,
answer that, please.
So Irene, right? He didn't file. Michael Phillips filed his late, right? The Integrity Commission, you heard them come out. Come from word of mouth. It was the Integrity Commission who came out and said he must pay $250,000 in penalty for not filing all the documents and whatever. Now, I'm going to ask you and just answer directly. Did you hear the Integrity Commission come out and say, we're going to have to charge Andrew money for not filing his declaration on time or all the documents?
No, I heard about ongoing investigation.
That don't confuse it. No, the answer is no.
What if there is ongoing investigation?
Hang on, man. Just listen. That's why.
Nathaniel, you can't drop him now, here.
Really?
Give Munchi a talk over him. Give Munchi a talk over time.
No.
You can't drop him now.
Nobody really want to know what really happened.
But you're not listening.
Go on, Munchi. See you answer, Munchi.
Maybe a flu.
And somebody is in the background with him. Somebody's in the background talking to him too. I can hear the person.
Long time near somebody in the background and talk to him.
Come on, there's no problem. That's Jamaican too.
Yeah, but you can't drop him now.
Munchi wants to say something.
No, man, don't do that, man. Jamaican.
Yeah, but you have to listen when we give you facts. But we're giving you facts, and you refuse to listen and answer questions, and that's not good.
Very slow as well.
I'm telling you that Michael Phillips was charged. You said that, and I said that I'm aware that he was charged for $200 and whatever $1,000. Yes, I'm here to say Andrew Holness thing. There is ongoing investigation based on
there's no ongoing investigation. Once a report is tabled in the parliament, it is complete. It ends. That is based on the Integrity Commission law.
So this investigation what you're talking about is false then.
No, what is happening now?
Listen,
what is happening?
You're not understanding now. We are telling you what is should happen based on the law.
Yes.
That is what we're telling you.
What's happening?
And we're telling you that once a report is tabled in the parliament, the IC cannot act on it any further. What they should have done is certify the PM's declaration.
So
they did not, and so the PM is going file a judicial review because the IC did not follow the law.
So why you think
understand that connect?
So, my question to you now, why you think that they didn't certify the declaration? What's their reason for not certifying it?
Because he said he's not certifying it. He's not satisfied.
He has a personal vendetta. That is why you should go and read the report and you would hear the pronouns he uses.
He said he's not satisfied in his mind, because remember, the prosecutor that works with him said there is no charges to be laid against or nothing. There is nothing
untoward.
Right. Not only that, remember they hire a forensic auditor, right? An outside person who has no opinion, who they paid over $30 million. That came out to say that they have nothing. There is nothing to charge the prime minister. Right? This guy now, he said he is not, even though his own prosecutor said there is nothing. He said he's not comfortable, so he's not gonna certify it, and that's why he wants the tax and FID to look at it. Remember, FID is Jamaica, that's the Financial Investigation Department, and he started off with them. Halfway through their investigation, he said he doesn't want to use them. That's when he hired the forensic auditor. Now he's gonna say, I'm gonna go back because he's not satisfied with his own people that he hired. He said he's not gonna certify it, and he wants FID now to investigate the prime minister. Now that is wrong because he has the power before it was tabled to let FID look at it. Because from once you table a report, it is final. That's what we're telling you.
Okay.
From once you table a report, it is finance. It is final. So he should have, if he wanted FID to look at it, he had FID. He had all of these agencies that he could have contacted before it's tabled. He didn't do so. So no, that's why the government, the prime minister is saying, no, something is wrong. I need the Supreme Court to have a look at this.
But you know, Marcia, I'll add this. You see, everybody is harping about Andrew is corrupt, Andrew thief, Andrew not provide the IC with information that they want. But nobody is looking at the clear abuse of process that the IC is undergoing. They engage in because once it was, as Martha said, once the IC submit a report to Parliament, that is the finality of the matter.
Correct.
But they submit one, they come to Parliament and they admitted to it. That when the report is submitted to Parliament, that's final. There's no provision for an interim report. They admitted to that. So when they submit the report to Parliament now, and then after asking FID and TAJ to look into the Prime Minister's situation, that's a clear abuse of process.
Look at
nobody not see that. Everybody look at jump on Andrew thief, Andrew corrupt, Andrew this and what all kind of foolishness. But they not see the abuse of process.
In layman's term, Orain, look at it like this. I've been charged with a crime, right? The police say I'm a thief. The police say I'm a go thief. One diamond ring, right? Him bring all the evidence in front of the judge. The judge said to me, say, no, boss, this not enough. She not thief, nothing. Let her go. Him not satisfied with that. Him tell me, say, I'm gonna lock me up still. I'm gonna lock you up still. Even though the judge say I'm free to go. Him say, I'm gonna lock you up for the ring because I'm a thief the ring. So even the judge was say, no, there is not enough evidence. There's no evidence to charge her. Let her go. He said, no, man, I'm gonna lock her up still. So that is what is happening. Now, do you understand? What else do you have to ask about it?
I understand. What based on what I'm hearing, Mike, what they're saying is that he have questionable character and stuff.
You could say the same thing about Mark Goldin.
What did you say?
Which questionable character?
What are you saying, sir?
You know, so now waste too much time with this guy.
Let me tell you something. The Integrity Commission and the PNP in my country is corrupt.
Listen to this. Okay, listen to this one.
Time for this.
See him gone there.
No, me taking down. I did not no time.
I was just gonna tell him that. Hold on. I was just gonna tell him that. Look at this big case now. Mark Goldin, who owns DB&G, was part of the FinSAC, who wrote the law for FinSAC.
Marcia, waste your time with the man.
He's not here, my dear. He's gone. I'm just saying for all the people who are listening, when you talk about people, I said Mark Goldin, who was part of Omar Davis' financial department, right? He owns the company DB&G. Right? We just saw in a report that DB&G was paid $29 million. Isn't that what you call a conflict of interest? The same man who is writing the law.
US dollar.
$29 million US dollar. The same man who is writing the law.
Almost 30 million, 29.5.
Probably 30 then. But give him the benefit, 29 million US dollar. The same man who is writing the law.
Look at the comment. You see, all of me are telling me dash for them and not stop me.
Thank you, Pop Skill. You come back again. The same man, but we're not gonna keep it for 2-3 hours.
So all of me telling me fling him and see what
That's
happen.
okay. We are no Ingan. The same man who wrote the law, right? The same man who wrote the law. His company got US $29 million for what? How can you be writing a law for the country and your company benefiting from it? No wonder by Ronnie Tweed came out and said it was the greatest transfer from the poor to the rich. And these are the same people, Mark Golding, Peter Bunting, are the same people who are coming back now to be finance minister of Jamaica to hold the purse. And not my shop. You have Omar Davis coming back. Don't be surprised. He's there still. So when you people talking about corrupt and questionable character, look into Mark Golding, look into Peter Bunting.
Guys, let's have some fun. Elder wants to come up.
God, listen what me I say. All me are telling us, this me telling us that this man is a waste of time. I don't know, have him up here. I try teach him. I think disrespect with them.
Know who Elder is.
Me want to ask Elder, bring him up. Come, I want to ask him what the guidance sponsor when him say I teach.
Elder, me send you a request. Can you ask to come up?
Me want him come up here.
At least we know who Elder is. We know
Munche.
Elder PMP.
Munche, what happened?
I saw over there call the Prime Minister thief to the one, Elder him.
Yeah, me want him come up, man. Can him say, him what did I go on about Andrew try legalize rainbow color people here at Jamaica and this and that. Me hear him now I say nothing wrong with them, nothing wrong with Jay Bryan and it is this and it is that now because a guidance counselor just come off a veranda and he's teaching it in school and friends. So make him come up. Come on now with school.
I want to Munche Mike. Make Munche Mike here open. Petal Munche Mike more globe.
Elder, me send you the request, you know, you ask to come up long time.
Munche,
Munche,
what wrong with you? Even everybody, what wrong with your plan?
Me miss you. That happen.
You couldn't miss me and Petal there your foot. Could I never?
miss you at night time, Munche. Where you there?
Munche, me miss you.
But you know easy plan.
Me miss you, me miss you.
Just want to know so then could dirty PNP crab laws to come.
Munche, a long time me watch you. Mr. Fire.
When you say then crab laws PNP they come for with this.
Munche, I know me no Munche me go to dash him off and then say make him turn, you know. A long time me want dash him off, you know. Come get the call. You want dash him and a Marcy tap him. A Marcy save him. Marcy, no Marcy love sorry for them.
Waste of time because you know I'm here for the children.
Marcy have a soft heart. You know soft hearted so.
Be a propaganda. I'm not going to waste time for them crab laws. Tell you.
Munche, me say, Munche, for you say, who that? May I tell them if you take off the boy?
From here, you know, come to learn nothing, Plank. You come with the propaganda when you get over. They want to distract me so we don't talk about Finsack.
But did you not see me bring it in the end of him?
I love you just find a way to bring it in, Marcia. Because they want this trap
exactly.
The Mark Golding and Peter Bunting make their money on the back of poor people. And then things that we don't see that.
29 million for what? You are
$29 million sweetheart deal from Omar Davis.
Not only that, then they get the deal. Then they get the deal from NCB too.
So yes. Mark Golding is correct when he said, "Me don't make my money already."
Yes, right. When he said, "I come to school, I'm very full."
Right.
I'm very full already. So right. When he said, "I come to school," and then these are the persons who want to come now and say they want to run country now. Them after they want to come back in, come do and make sure so we reject Mark Golding and the People's National Party. All the labor right, I'm going to talk about me now vote because I'm going to get no burial package. You know, but I get up off and go vote because I don't see what PNP capable of.
No wonder make that the one over there where she named Bev Bex with the Prime Minister.
Which one?
One named Bev a man and she just
Lady Bev, yes.
She just
over there, she right.
One girl we keep live.
Yes.
Lady Bev, she there.
Me pass over there and say that she got bring up that strength in the box. And that strength start she kick him out.
Look here, maybe it's not. She's just a pretender, you know. She's not.
That's what I say. She not get the freeness if she want.
Oh, she used to be a labor right, she said?
She said she a labor right.
PMP. Don't talk
Which
about
labor right?
What she say?
Who click live and a cuss the Prime Minister.
So she said, me tell her to go and go make Andrew fix her mash mouth.
She was a thing, say Andrew Wallace make no teeth in her mouth. And Andrew Wallace make no teeth in her mouth. That's a tough time.
What make the PNP them now no teeth?
When they go with them on a shame stuff you walk with them out mash
They chat shit. They chat shit. That's why they don't have. They have mash mouth.
But we wonder about them because in 2024, when teeth free, you walk on with no teeth in your mouth. You think so that cute? I don't get so much trouble on social media. Nobody nasty me on social media. The thing is,
It's a kid.
Me not talk about things that go long, you know. I was talking about doing Bunting and Golden long time before this come out.
Me always talk about them too.
I was talking about it long time. Me the first one who come on here and said, "Oh, Mark Golden for run as the Prime Minister and he about Jamaica, so much money, eh? Oh, he want to be Prime Minister and he my Peter Bunting. Me telling a long time, sir. Say Peter Bunting spend his money and he want it back. So that's why you see him push Mark Golden so much. Peter Bunting spent a lot of money. Remember when Portia did not power and then who JPS $3 million for the conference where they keep. Him come out and say him have to pay the $3 million because Portia didn't never want to pay it. That's a Peter Bunting.
So now that they find other avenue, they might push him round.
Right?
You're not useful anymore to them.
So that's why you see. And then we talk about we know we come off during Bunting and Golden and Finsack. We show them say only that they have to show Jamaica and make people have to run for Jamaica analyze themselves. That's the only thing they have to do. They don't have nothing. They don't have nothing at all to contribute to Jamaica. Bar they see the money. They see how much millions of dollars in the savings. So they want to control it now, if take it out and do what they like with it. That's all, you know. They see how much millions of dollars in the savings, and then and they want to take it away from Andrew, for distribute to their friend in them pocket.
Chef Neil, that will never happen under my Prime Minister dead body. You try remember that.
Me boss said that, you know. Me boss said that, and I agree with him. 101 million% me agree with him. But me not talk about it long time when even when they were talk about Andrew Holness this and me talk about every time I come on a platform, me say they talk about DB&G. Talk about DB&G and how much people running for Jamaica, how much people analyze themselves because they can't get back their house. So may I ask the Jamaican people them, did you know that? Did you see that? And why you run back at this man who do this to your own people, your own father, your own mother? Why are you running back at him for him do more? I was talking to a PMP man, you know, and he said Andrew Holness to step down because the young man them in Jamaica don't like him. Me say, I know why the young man them in Jamaica like. They're gonna get. Because young man them in Jamaica, all they want to do is go around and do what they feel like do. I believe say it's okay. Go on and kill people, it's not okay. Go on and scam people is not okay. Where all this tax money, where all this tax money where Andrew Holness had give back to people them in tax return. Where all this money was where he must send back the people in my school to get a good education or a good qualification to get a good paying job. But PJ and Omar Davis do with all this money. That's the question if you ask them. And Mark Golding, PJ Patterson, Omar Davis and Mark Golding, what they do with all this money?
And Sister P.
Portia, we don't feel like for water in either, you know. No. Because Mark Golding, you know, Mark Golding talk about PJ, you know. He talk about Sister P more than anything else.
A Portia bring Mark Golding in politics.
Omar Davis, man. Omar Davis, man.
Omar Davis.
And he bring him in for better the place where he up a jungle. Before he better hit. He send all the money to Ghana Bahamas. So Jamaica no qualify for spend for him spend for him money. So why Jamaica qualify for him be a prime minister?
But have you ever seen Mark Golding in a Jamaican color?
You know,
anyone ever see Mark Golding wear the color of the national flag?
He man a British, he man don't want to be a Jamaican.
The other day I see him went to the match, it's a blue shirt him wear. The Honduras color, not the Jamaican color.
So this is what I come on the platform to say. We need to ask them when they come on here and talk about Andrew Holness, we need to ask them what Mark Golding offer for Jamaica for we to trust him and give him a chance. What he offer? See them are sending the gun them. See them are going sending the gun them through off there and they hold how much of them. And me hear what a PMP woman say police them corrupt. Yep.
2020. The police are take out the bad man, then that's why them attack that.
Because the police them live in Jamaica, they want to see a better Jamaica. They might get paid now, you know. They might get paid now, they have better equipment. So they want to see a better Jamaica now. So they don't have to corrupt no more.
But Chef Wayne, you know, we said that what you said a while ago about Mark Golding showing up in the national stadium in a blue shirt. You know, we don't have to glass over that, you know. We don't have to glass. That is not small thing, you know. You don't have to glass over it, because why? Why, as the leader of the opposition in Jamaica, why the hell you'd have got the national stadium at a match, an international football match, and a campaign against their own country? I support a foreign team.
Yeah.
Why? And even, let us say, for example, he was a private citizen and Honduras and favorite team, no problem. But as the leader of the opposition, the office where you hold, why you gone a national stadium at an international football match and I support a foreign team over your own country?
HR.
You know, if you glass over that, you know, that is problematic, you know.
HR. The man sure uno say he no love Jamaica, he don't go see the money.
The man no rate Jamaica, he no rate Jamaica, he no like we man.
He don't go see the money in the kitty. He man don't go see the money in the kitty. That's why you see man I go like say he love us. He see how much millions of dollars in the savings. Him and Peter Bunting see how much $1 million in the savings. Yeah man, so man, economy are going good.
Yeah.
Yes. We don't feel glass over them smart. That's such a small point to just glass over, man, because the man show up in a blue shirt, literally a support a foreign team over in one country.
Look at man. What may I say? We not ease up for them. we press them same way and deal with them just like how they deal with us. Don't be no friend with them. Because if you go on their platform, them run you off same way. Run them off of your platform when they come on it. Don't give them no chance because soon as you talk bad about the PNP, they block you.
You're in 10 minutes now. Remember, so we are go over YouTube, Positive Jamaica. We have a live over there this evening. So in 10 minutes time.
What time, Nathaniel? What time, Nathaniel?
6 o'clock.
Okay.
6 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah. Positive Jamaica. So anybody not follow the channel yet, not follow it. So we have a live over there shortly.
Mark Golden Dayton Campbell and Peter Bunting and Philip Palwell. They need to look into themselves. They need to look into themselves and see what they do in Jamaica already. So they can't get back no chance. Jamaica people don't trust them no more. They was there before. Turn up in Vegas. Put some volume on the Vegas. Put some volume on the Vegas. Put some volume on the Vegas.
You're mad. You can't touch him on the radio. You're mad. Can't touch him on the radio.
Hey, good dirty plank. They are going with Munchie B, alright, otherwise go. Munchie.
So who else is coming up in the box now?
Munchie. The church said the BNG was sued and they settled the case and Scotiabank brought them. Munchie. Yeah, Munchie can't sleep. Good thing.
Nathaniel, turn on your radio for me there. Please.
Can't avoid me no man. We can go on man. Go me dash you out man. Go on one side man.
I bet you don't dash me out. How much I bet?
But I have be angry, I have to blade, you know.
I bet you become politics. I bet you become politics and chuck pie.
But tell me I be angry and I have to blade.
I say I bet you don't dash me out. You better call politics and chuck.
Alright, I go prepare yourself for shaker, you know, so.
Nathaniel, you're going.
But shaker go live now minute, not about 6 o'clock, so we go YouTube.
Shaker go YouTube better.
Yeah, me know.
So, you know, I don't know why not shaker time. I mean, I want to go and shoot me.
No, man, you cannot.
Hey, when you not sit on the road, I start to walk like Lappy Dog over Portland and take myself.
Listen to me, the man run off fat like mudfish.
Nobody not cuss people. I have the mud.
Punching us any warriors them up, they go run out the man, brother.
Not spread no room up on Munchie and go in and Nathaniel.
Punching any warriors them up, run out either.
The man round and fat is like mudfish. So the man they run. He run, only woman miss rounds. Oh Lord of His mercy. Yes, Kings. Why?
Oh, you mean say why King? Then the man that promote Baptism and part of the Batman culture, then you mean?
So the man look.
Yeah, if you run out, brother, you can't go in a wrong turf.
You don't understand the street talk when them say why. You have to get with it, Nathaniel.
Me not understand it, Philippine, or what?
They basically are burn you out when them say why.
Oh.
So you ma burn me out? King they burn me out for what?
King?
Mm-hmm.
Nah, but not nobody. King, you got King.
Positive Jamaica nuts. Positive Jamaica name nuts.
King, you got conference? The King there?
King.
Munchie, you know, see Chrome as a
Yeah, come on
person.
conference. What him don't even comment.
Munchie, you don't see Chrome as talking to you. Maybe share the something Chromas. You probably not hear, that's not answer.
Like Munchie do something, man. Munchie could do this evening.
Guys, we're going over by YouTube, over to Positive Jamaica on YouTube. Positive Jamaica, we're going to go over Positive Jamaica on YouTube. You know, it's all about positivity, no misinformation, no negativity, no lies, no rumors, because those are not investments. We cannot reap any reward, no dividends. Yeah? We need information to feed our mind. Truth matters, and that is what we will be sharing.
Alright, guys, we are going YouTube now.
Alright.
We're going live now. So, head over you.